Scout Automobile, welcome to Start. Close your eyes for just a moment and imagine a car that doesn't simply arrive, but announces a new era the second it comes into view. That feeling, that quiet confidence mixed with unstoppable authority, that is exactly what the 2026 BMW 7 Series delivers. This is not a car made for noise or attention seekers. This is a car built for people who already command respect, people who understand that true luxury speaks softly but leaves a deep impact. The moment the 2026 BMW 7 Series appears on the road, everything around it feels ordinary. The proportions are bold, long, and powerful, yet incredibly elegant. The design feels futuristic without losing BMW's strong identity. The kidney grille stands tall, proud, and illuminated in a way that feels more like a signature than a feature. It doesn't shout, it stands its ground. The slim lighting, the clean surfaces, and the perfectly balanced stance make it clear that this is BMW's flagship, and it carries that responsibility with pride. Walk around the car slowly and you start noticing details that most people would miss. The way light reflects off the body panels, the way every line flows naturally into the next, nothing feels forced. This car is sculpted, not designed. It feels like BMW engineers and designers spent countless hours perfecting not just how it looks, but how it feels emotionally. Even standing still, the 7 Series feels like it's moving forward. Open the door, and you step into a different world. The cabin of the 2026 BMW 7 Series is not just luxurious, it is deeply calming. The outside noise disappears, replaced by a sense of quiet control. Ambient lighting flows gently across the interior, adapting to your mood, your drive mode, even the time of day. It feels alive, responsive, and incredibly personal. The seats are pure perfection. Crafted with premium leather and advanced ergonomic design, they don't just support you, they understand you. Heating, ventilation, massage functions, memory settings, everything works together to make sure your body feels relaxed and refreshed. Long drives don't feel long anymore. Traffic doesn't feel stressful. This car changes how you experience time on the road. The dashboard feels like a piece of modern architecture. The curved digital display stretches smoothly across the front, blending the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless surface. The graphics are sharp, the animations are smooth, and the system responds instantly. There is no lag, no confusion, just effortless control. BMW has mastered the balance between technology and simplicity. Voice commands feel natural, almost human. You don't need to remember exact phrases. You speak normally, and the car understands. Adjust temperature, navigation, music, lighting, everything happens smoothly. Gesture controls add another layer of interaction, making the experience feel futuristic without being distracting. Now move to the rear seats, because this is where the 2026 BMW 7 Series truly separates itself from the rest. The back is not just a place to sit, it is a luxury executive lounge. The rear seats recline, stretch, and adjust in ways that make first-class flights feel average. Legroom feels endless. Comfort feels unlimited. The rear theater screen is a showstopper. With a simple touch, it folds down and transforms the cabin into a private cinema. Watch movies, stream content, attend video meetings, or simply relax while the world passes by outside. The sound system fills the space with rich, detailed audio that feels perfectly tuned to the cabin. It's not loud, it's precise. Every surface you touch feels premium. The door panels, the armrests, the controls, everything feels solid and refined. Crystal-style elements add a subtle touch of elegance without feeling excessive. BMW understands that luxury is not about showing off, it's about how it makes you feel. Technology in the 2026 BMW 7 Series is not there to impress, it's there to assist. Advanced driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, constantly monitoring the road, traffic, and surroundings. Adaptive cruise control adjusts smoothly, lane assistance keeps you centered, and traffic jam assist makes city driving effortless. The car feels like a trusted co-pilot, always alert, never intrusive. Parking a large luxury sedan has never been this easy. With 360-degree cameras, automated parking systems, and intelligent sensors, the 7 Series handles tight spaces with confidence. It feels smaller than it looks, more agile than you expect. Rear-wheel steering helps reduce turning radius, making city maneuvers surprisingly smooth. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW 7 Series offers a range of refined powertrains. Inline-six engines deliver smooth, balanced performance. V8 options bring effortless power that feels endless but controlled. Plug-in hybrid variants combine electric silence with combustion strength, giving you flexibility without compromise. Acceleration is smooth and confident. The car doesn't jerk or rush, it glides forward with authority. Power delivery feels linear, refined, and perfectly tuned. Whether you're merging onto a highway or overtaking effortlessly, the 7 Series responds instantly, without drama. The hybrid version deserves special respect. In electric mode, the car moves almost silently, perfect for city environments and relaxed cruising. Switch to hybrid or sport mode, and the engine wakes up with refined strength. This balance between performance and efficiency defines modern luxury. Ride quality is where the 7 Series truly shines. Adaptive air suspension reads the road ahead and adjusts in real time. Bumps disappear. Rough roads feel smooth. Long highways feel endless. Switch to sport mode, and the suspension tightens, giving you sharper handling and more road feedback. This car adapts to you, not the other way around. Steering is precise and confident. Despite its size, the 7 Series feels connected to the road. BMW has managed to keep the soul of driving alive, even in a car focused on comfort. You don't feel disconnected, you feel in control, relaxed but aware. Night driving feels special. Advanced laser headlights illuminate the road with incredible clarity, adapting automatically to traffic and conditions. You see further without blinding others. Inside, the ambient lighting creates a calm, focused environment that reduces fatigue and stress. BMW has also taken sustainability seriously with the 2026 7 Series. Eco-friendly materials, efficient engines, and responsible manufacturing practices show that luxury can be conscious. This car proves that progress doesn't have to come at the cost of the environment. Every detail in this car feels intentional. Soft closed doors, subtle lighting cues, intuitive controls, everything works together seamlessly. Nothing feels unnecessary. Nothing feels missing. This is luxury refined through intelligence. The 2026 BMW 7 Series is not built for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's built for those who value quality over noise, refinement over flash, intelligence over excess. It's for people who don't need to prove anything, because their presence already does. Every drive feels meaningful. Even a short trip becomes enjoyable. The car slows your thoughts, relaxes your body, and elevates your mood. It's not just about reaching a destination, it's about enjoying every second in between. BMW has taken its legacy and pushed it forward. The famous driving philosophy has evolved, not disappeared. The 7 Series proves that you can have comfort, technology, and performance without sacrificing emotion. This is not a car chasing trends. This is a car defining standards. While others focus on screens and gimmicks, BMW focuses on harmony, balance, and experience. The 2026 BMW 7 Series doesn't ask for attention. It doesn't need approval. It exists with confidence, knowing exactly what it represents. Sit inside it, drive it, live with it, and you realize something important. Everything else starts to feel like a compromise. This is not just a luxury sedan. This is a statement of where the future is going. This is BMW at its most mature, most refined, and most intelligent. The 2026 BMW 7 Series doesn't just move you forward on the road. It moves your entire lifestyle forward.